Welcome to Technical Drawing. Now today we'll see the third part of this series of basic orthographic projection. So in the first one we did normal orthographics. In the second one we understood the side view. Now today we are going to understand dotted line. So let's take one sum. We have a sum like this. And it has a slot like this. Okay, now if I want to draw front view, top view, and left hand side view, see the observer is watching it from here. When I see from here, so front view, so how this is length and height, this is length and width. First we will draw layout and we'll draw side view like this. Now when I start in front view, what I see plain rectangle. When I see in top view, I will see this way. And in side view, when you draw, you'll have three rectangle, 1, 2, and 3. Now tell me the front view of this and front view of this, both are same, right? When you draw front view of this box is plain rectangle. When you draw front view of this box is also plain rectangle, but there is a difference over here. Some part has been removed. They have removed some portion, right? So this edge which you can't see from here, that we need to indicate in this diagram. So what I will do, whatever the distance, let's take this as 10. So I'll take 10 from here and I will draw a dotted line. So this is front view, top view, and left hand side view. So this is how it will come. So this is the concept of dotted line. I'll explain you with one more example. Let's take, you have an object like this. So again, you will draw layout. Front view, top view, side view. So in front view, it will appear like this. In top view, this block will be here nearer to the observer. And this side view will appear like this. Now the same question. If you see this, so what is the difference in this sum and this sum? In this sum, entire thing is same. So the front view will look like this. But in this, it is not that way. This part which you can't see from here. When you see from here, you can't see this edge. So that we need to draw as dotted. So I hope you people have understood what is dotted. So dotted is the part which is not seen from that particular view. So this edge is not seen from front view. That's why it is dotted. This edge is not seen in front view, but it is seen in top view. See this, same portion, side view. So only in that particular view it will be dotted, which is not seen from that view. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.